Now I want to go into installing the build essential and git packages. So I type in apt-get install build-essential and git. Notice that we already have build essential installed and also git has been installed. Both are the newest versions, so that saves us a bit of time in that. So I'll just clear this, and now I want to install the VirtualBox guest editions. Let me go to the appropriate CD-ROM folder, and once I'm in that folder, there's this file called vbox linux editions.run. I'm just highlighting that for you. We need to // and then type in the name of the file, vbox linux editions. It's case sensitive, so that will install the guest editions. This may take some time, again, depending on the internet connection and getting all the appropriate files. That'll take a little while, but these will be essential for the USB wireless card and the drivers. This will also be used for the cut and paste functionality, copy and paste functionality, and also for the overall graphics and the look and feel of the graphics, giving it a better look and feel. So this will just build the guest editions module right now. Should take a short period of time, but it will install fairly quickly. I'm just walking you through this again so you'll see exactly how you will experience the same type of functionality when you're installing the guest module. While that's working, that's done. Now it's just building a little bit of additional share folder support, and once that's complete, we'll reboot the virtual machine and hopefully all the functionality is working fine. So here we go, starting the VirtualBox, and it's installed everything, the graphics components and libraries. So now I can reboot the computer. Once I reboot this, all our services should be functioning as we wish. So let's reboot that. It may take a few minutes or a few seconds, depending on your processor speed. Let's just confirm if the copy and paste functionality is working. So let's go into Kali Linux. Let that load up. I will need to put in my root username and password to log into the system. So let's just wait for that to happen. And here we go. This should boot up now. And once it boots up, we will test the copy paste functionality so you can see how that works. And if it works, root and type in the password that you used to set up the system. Let's go into Kali Linux, and we want to go to the terminal. Let's go into terminal, and once within terminal, we'll just test out the copy and paste function. Let's go to terminal, and within terminal, I'm going to just look up the options here that would be best suited for us. Let's type in ifconfig. Let me copy this section of text and see whether I can copy and paste it into our Windows 10 machine. So that being my host machine, let's just go to Windows 10, and I go to Notepad, and within Notepad, let me paste this, edit, paste, or Control V, and that works fine. So let me delete this, and I will just type in Windows, and let's see if I can copy this. So Control C or copy, and go into paste, and that works fine. So the copy and paste functionality is working fine, which will enable us to work between the host machine and the guest machine quite easily. Now to just go and get the drivers for the USB wireless card, which we'll do shortly. As you see, there's no wireless listed here, so we definitely need to install the wireless drivers.